Welcome. Today's venue is the Emerald Falls. Now you got the lower falls, you got the middle falls, and you got the upper falls. Each one is a mile. Get the lower falls, it's like mile marker 1. Mile marker 2 is middle falls, and mile marker 3 is upper falls. Now that's if you're coming in from the lodge area, but right now the bridge is down. So I came in on Ketcha Trail. Now it's actually called Emerald Pools rather than Emerald Falls. However, it's well over 90 degrees here in the Mojave Desert, and I have hopes of finding a waterfall to cool myself off.
Out here and there's like no trail.
Now, as you've seen, this is very populous, very busy trail. A lot of people taking it, and the only reason is because that bridge is out over by the lodge. You go down this way to get to the lower Emerald Pool. Go up this way to get the middle and upper Emerald Pools. Let's go to the top first. It's always easier going down. Later in the day, so make sure you stay on the trail. This guy looks like it's a thrill adventure. Look at him go. Let's giddy up. So this is the middle pools here. Not a lot of water coming down right now, it being the beginning of June. So this is the top of the middle pool. Saw some dragonflies, water skippers, and there's hundreds of tadpoles. Check it out. Okay, enough checking out the tadpoles. Let's giddy up. Very well marked. This shows you that the upper Emerald Falls pools, only a quarter of a mile up this way. Now we came in first hitting the middle pool. That's because we came down Ketcha Trail, and this is a loop trail. So when we go back, we're gonna head down this way to the lower pool. Let's go see the high ones. Let's get up. Now normally you'd see a lot of water coming down, but it's June, so not much coming down, but this is the upper pool. So evidently this is the middle pool. I don't see it posted. This trail right here continues on to go on to Zion Lodge. So here at the trail going to the upper falls, go this way to get to the middle falls. You can continue on that trail to get to Zion Lodge. And this trail will take you to the lower falls. So let's giddy up. So we're back at this junction where we went up this way to get to upper falls and middle falls, and you got to come back, so it's out and back, and then coming down this way is lower falls, so we'll go that way. Not the most spectacular falls, but this is coming down from the middle pool. Kind of nice being here. It's got to be in the 90s now, hiking, and the falls sitting down a mist, which is nice.
And we took it down.
Nice mist coming down. Really cools you off.
Actually, it's more like a steady stream. No further comments on that.
So this was just a viewpoint. Definitely worth it to cool off. And we're going to go back this way. Evidently with a rock fall, that spoils our treat going out this way. We're going to have to go back up Kentya Trail.
And as mentioned, it's June, well over 90 degrees in the Mojave Desert, and we can't go any further due to ice. Speaking of ice, if you had a food truck selling ices here, you'd make a fortune. Let's get you up.